set a new standard for speed, power, and value in the diagnostic scan tool category. But you challenged us to do even more and pushed us to innovate even further. Introducing the all-new Maximus 4.0. Featuring all the benefits of the Maximus 3.0, this enhanced diagnostic tablet features a 4-channel oscilloscope that enables you to diagnose and troubleshoot sensors, solenoids, actuators, primary and secondary ignition, communication data streams, and more. It also features a Bluetooth battery analyzer, the ability for our VCI to support CarLine and HD software, the MaxFix database, giving you access to technical service bulletins, flow charts, wiring diagrams, and more vital info, and with a 13.3-inch screen, front and rear cameras, 8 GB of memory with up to 512 GB of storage space, and up to 8 hours of battery. The Maximus 4.0 is primed to handle your toughest, most demanding jobs. Maximus 4.0 from Matco Tools, the comprehensive diagnostic tool with everything you need to get the job done right.